are you ready to give us a demo of Live Panel?
So, Gary, here we are in the TriCaster Mini interface. One of the things I want to point out too is I'm using the KVM feature. So this is actually my local computer controlling my TriCaster Mini. But the thing I want to point out is this Mini, it's the standard TriCaster interface. So you've got all the functionality, you got all the control there, but sometimes that can be a little daunting for people. So one of the things that's really nice in the new version is you have a feature called Live Panel. So what I've done here is I've opened up a web page, and that web page gives me quick access to things like Audio Mixer. So if I just need to control audio, I can just jump over to the web page and start controlling audio, or I can have somebody else control my audio for me as well. You also have the ability to work with all your data links in here, and you can view all your media, so any assets I have would show up in here. But the two things I like to point out is the switcher. So the first thing here is this is just a streamlined version of the switcher. So this is a web GUI. You can see all my different cameras in here, and you can see my graphics, and I'm moving just so you see live motion. But it's really simple. If I just want to change cameras, I just click, and we can change cameras very easily in here just by doing a quick little switch. If I need to pull up a graphic, I can pull up a graphic. I can change graphics, turn things on and off. I have another page I can go and jump and look at over here. So here's my DDR, so I can quickly pull that up. So it's just a nice streamlined interface to manipulate the TriCaster in without having to go through everything else. The other window that's pretty powerful that I just started fooling with is the builder window. So the builder window, you've got all these different boxes you can work with. You can customize all of these. So you can just click on any box, actually go and edit it, click on any box, and you can say, okay, how big do I want this box to be? So I can make a box 10 by 10 if I want to, and give it a name, fill it with something. So we'll give it a colored background, or I can say fill it with video. So in this case, I'll choose it to be my input 2. And so you can quickly go in and customize what your interface is, and then you can assign macros, and you can really build your entire edit within here. So the nice thing is, while within Switcher, you've got full access to the interface, and it's just all click away. Within Builder, you can actually tailor it, so you can just limit it down to just the features you want. So this is nice if you're like in a house of worship, or a school or a corporate office where you just want to limit somebody to some very basic functionality, and all they have to do is say, okay, fine, you're just going to switch by using these buttons, or if you want to pull up transitions. So being able to build your own custom layout, and give me some time. I just got this machine up and running yesterday. So the neat thing is we'll be able to completely customize your user experience or the operator experience. So you can just tell somebody, go in, jump on this, and these are the tools you're going to be able to access and use.